Hey Nibblers, blessings to your mind, body, and spirit. It's your girl Nikki Nibbles, and today I'm gonna have lunch with you.
Ride on the beat, serve it to the streets, ayy. Ride on the beat, serve it to the streets, ayy. Ride on the beat, serve it to the streets, ayy. Ride on the beat, serve it to the streets, ayy. Ride on the beat, serve it to the streets, ayy. Ride on the beat, serve it to the streets, ayy. Ride on the beat, serve it to the streets, ayy. Ride on the beat, serve it to the streets, ayy.
How are you, my loves? I pray you are well. I'm parched, so I'm gonna start with having some fruit punch from Chick-Fil-A. I'm having lunch from Chick-Fil-A today because I was just not in the mood to cook. So yummy. Y'all know that little sweet, yummy fruit punch from Chick-Fil-A be slamming. So I got a medium one, but I'm not gonna drink it all. I also got a cup of ice. And I have a Waffle Fry. We need to dunk them in something. Mac and cheese. Chicken sandwich with American cheese, lettuce, tomato, extra pickles. Oh, and here they go. And extra pickles. So to that, I'm gonna add some buffalo sauce. Hey, girl. Okay. Some buffalo sauce and some Polynesian. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. Put that sauce right on there like that. Just drizzle it over there. I actually forgot my pot. I got some ranch. I'm gonna put some ranch on it. I'm having like a buffalo ranch Chick-fil-A sandwich. Put some ranch on that thing, girl. If I can get it open. I'm trying to see where this big, burly, fine, tall, chocolate bald head man just went that parked in front of me. He parked in like, I guess he required me to move back a little bit, so he just kind of sat there and I started moving back, then he moved in. And when he got out the truck, he just smiled. I'm like, okay, sir. Okay, sir, no problem. I don't mind moving. So you can fit. Big old truck, big old man. You know what I mean? Respect. I ain't got no problem. I can move. I don't know where he went, but it was some eye candy for the day. Now I'm not gonna put the Polynesian on my sandwich. I'm gonna just dip my French fries in it. What's your favorite sauce from Chick-fil-A, guys? I like all of them. I really do. Polynesian is giving very much sweet and salty. So good. With tangy. Chick-Fil-A sauce. Kind of tastes like barbecue sauce. Ranch is ranch, buffalo is buffalo. Oh, I forgot. I got this little kale salad too. What is this? I don't want no almonds right now. You know, they had that kale salad with the cranberries and the maple dressing to it. Why did they get rid of that? That was so good. I don't know why they thought this was a better substitute, but I miss the original Chick-fil-A kale salad. Kale superfood. That was delectable. What do you have for lunch today? Happy, happy, happy Friday. That mac and cheese, baby. Pretty delicious. I like finding out people's mac and cheese people's mac and cheese recipes. I think mine's is pretty good. My daughter's is pretty good. They're like just a perfect goopy baked mac and cheese. I mean, like the mac and cheese you dream about. I don't think I had it yet. I know your grandmama got some good mac and cheese. I do a cheese sauce, a bechamel sauce with mine. And add like sharp cheddar, extra sharp cheddar. I'm not opposed to using a little bit of Velveeta to make a cheese sauce with. I use ricotta cheese in the noodles instead of putting egg. I mean, I don't want to die about it. I just want to have some yummy mac and cheese. So I use ricotta cheese instead of cracking open 2-3 eggs and stirring it in the noodles. I know that's good, but you know, eggs have a lot of cholesterol. Let me see what this chicken sandwich hitting for. It's hot out here. People be looking at me like I'm crazy for eating in the car. I eat in the car quite frequently because I like for my food to be hot. Being him and being Nikki. Wipe your mouth, baby. Don't mind my skin. I don't know why my skin is exploding. Probably stress. I be stressing. You know, because you know how you are. For those of you that have grown kids, do you think that once you raise your kids, that they're good? You know what I mean? They take the helm, make whatever decisions they make that they want to make, and just do whatever. And you don't have anything to do with it. It becomes their responsibility. And baby, when they get older, they just have adult problems. You know? You never stop worrying about them. So, when they go through stuff as an adults, so when they go through stuff as adults, I'm like, you go through stuff. It's like, damn. It's like I should just focus on myself, you know? So, my daughter's ex that she decided to end the relationship with, the father of her child, just cannot accept the fact that she's done, and he is vehemently stalking her. So, because we live together, it's like he's stalking me. I mean, like the type of stalking that you see on a Lifetime movie. No. Like the type of stalking you see on First 48. You know? Or True Crime. Y'all watch the show True Crime? It's like that type of stalking. And I cannot. It is disturbing. And so that's why, you know, it takes me some time to record, have the brain space to record, and then to edit, and then to get it posted. Because this little piss bucket is wreaking havoc. I kid you not, he bust my car windows out last week. And I'm like, what in the hell did I do to deserve that or even warrant that? I am the only one in the family who has ever cared to say anything to him or to talk to him or to extend some counseling, you know. And yeah, he busted my car windows out, so I was pissed. Oh, I did it again. I was pissed. Matter of fact, I just got it fixed. Matter of fact, I just got it fixed. So, your girl is dealing with a little bit of stress. However, we got to keep it pushing, right, nibblers? Keep it pushing. And don't give the devil victory. You know? That is the motto. So, forgive me if my energy is a little low. I need some shit to tap on. Let me get to my studio so I can get some shit to tap on. I'll be back. I'll be back in another video later because I need to tap on some shit to relax. Bring you some gum chewing and tapping sounds to relax. You see my skin breaking out? Oh my gosh. So, what's all that's going on right now, guys, is that I am meeting a bit of adversity with this little young guy who is doing stuff to my family. However, we are strong and we are well. So that's going to do it for me, guys. I love you for watching, as always, my friends. That lunch was delicious. I'm going to pop on a little bit more color on my lips. And I'm off to the next chore. Alright, guys, I'll see you in the next video. I started to say that 20 minutes ago, but yeah, I'll see you in the next video.
Ride on the beat, serve it to the streets, ayy. Ride on the beat, serve it to the streets, ayy. Ride on the beat, serve it to the